Ready to get fit and have fun with Zumba? Great! Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of this dance fitness phenomenon, breaking down its top moves and highlighting their many benefits. First up, the merengue march. It's a basic Zumba move, but don't be fooled by its simplicity. This rhythmic march boosts cardiovascular health, building endurance over time. Step right foot forward, then left, keeping time to the music. Remember, it's all about the rhythm. Feel the beat and let your body move. Next, we're exploring the salsa. This spicy Zumba move not only burns calories, but also tightens and tones the lower body. Step forward with your right foot, pivot, and step back in a rhythmic pattern. Keep your core engaged and your hips moving freely. Our third move, the cumbia, is all about flexibility. With its side steps and hip movements, this dance routine helps improve balance and coordination. Step to the side, swing your arms, and rotate your hips. It's a fun way to get your body moving and grooving. Now get ready for the reggaeton, a high-energy move that gets your heart pumping. Step side to side, pump your arms, and add a little bounce. This dynamic move is a real calorie burner, strengthening the entire body. Lastly, we have the Zumba toning sticks routine. These lightweight maraca-like toning sticks add a fun and effective upper body workout to your Zumba routine. Shake them to the beat and feel the burn in your arms and shoulders. So to recap, we've covered the merengue march for cardiovascular health, the salsa for toning, the cumbia for flexibility, the reggaeton for full body strengthening, and the toning sticks routine for upper body conditioning. Each of these Zumba moves offers unique benefits, making this workout not just fun but incredibly versatile. Remember, the key to Zumba is feeling the music and letting your body move. So don't worry about getting every step perfect. The most important thing is to enjoy the dance and have fun. Embrace the rhythm, feel the energy, and let Zumba guide your fitness journey. Here's to getting fit the fun way with Zumba.